If you are currently a provider for insurance companies or you're thinking of becoming a provider, you will need to know what CPT codes are. CPT stands for Current Procedural Terminology Codes, and these are for procedures and services that would be performed by physicians and other healthcare providers, including dietitians. Each procedure or service is identified with a specific 5-digit code. 3 common CPT codes that describe medical nutrition therapy services are 97802, 97803, and 97804. Medical nutrition therapy services are defined as nutritional diagnostic therapy and counseling services for the purposes of disease management, which are furnished by a registered dietitian or nutrition professional. These are pursuant to a referral by a physician. 97802 is the initial assessment and intervention done with an individual, and it's face-to-face. Billing is done in units, and each unit is 15 minutes. So if you have an initial session for 1 hour, that would be 4 units. 97803 is the reassessment and intervention done with an individual, and it's face-to-face. Billing is also done in units, so 1 hour would be 4 units. 97804 is a group code, meaning 2 or more individuals, and it's billed in units with 1 being 30 minutes in duration. So if you have an hour-long session with 2 individuals, this would be billed as 2 units. It's important to note that certain CPT codes are only billable by certain providers. Make sure you check your specific contract with each insurance company to see which CPT codes are billable. You can also check the medical policy found generally on the insurance company website to check and see which CPT codes would be used by dietitians. If you have any questions about CPT codes or anything else related to private practice, leave a comment below.